Hi guys, in this video I will talk about some unboxing from gun cube. Let's get started. Gun cube, which is gun 12 magnet level, and some back from gun cube, which is Chinese New Year. It will happen this week. And also some gun pen like this, and also gun glue. Let me test this cube, which is gun 12 magnet level. I open it. With that, get some cards, some Cube Station card, which is can found in Google Play Store, and also the accessories. This is a gun pack like that, and also some gun pamphlet here. This one important at all, and also gun 12 manual. So let's try this cube. So I open it. So shiny out of box. First one. Okay. So smooth. Can cutting? What? Oh wait. What? Stone south? Can cutting fish? Can cutting is good. What? Oh my goodness, what? Ooh. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.